How to download CapCut for a PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. In order to download CapCut in your PC, here at the search bar type in Microsoft Store. Click on to open, and again at the search bar type in CapCut. Now this is the application that you should have in your PC, so click on to CapCut here, then click on to install. Wait till this application gets downloaded onto your PC. And now once this has been installed, you will find it onto your home page. Double click onto CapCut. Just like so, this is how you can launch your CapCut. And that way, you can use your CapCut for editing your videos. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.